Doom shop, motherfucker.
What are we trying to figure out?
Stop.
What are we trying to figure out?
How do you open it?
I actually don't know. I've never built in one of these. I'm assuming, yeah, it's probably.
Oh, it goes down.
It's got it.
Oh my god. Anywho, that's going back on. You never know.
Bring it in Microcenter.
You would never. I want the purple keycaps. Can I help you? I want these. Do these ones? Yes. I want the purple switches. We would need 2 of those though, I think, for this. Don't know what keycaps I want. I don't think I'd get any from here because they're way too expensive.
Do you see all this stuff? The
I
keycaps
did,
down
yes,
there?
I saw all of this.
Well, there's more
They're
keycaps
all
right here.
pretty mid.
Say it again.
Said all the keycaps here are pretty. Shut up.